Hi, welcome to my channel. This is the easiest and quick beginner friendly makeup looks. Here I am using the black eyeshadow. Using the small flat brush, stamp the eyeshadow, attach it to your lash line and drag the outer corner of your wing line. Here I am using the new green shadow. Apply the new green shadow to the outer corner of your wing line and drag little bit inside your wing line. And next you have to pick up the brown shadow and apply the brown shadow to the outer corner of your wing line. After applying the brown shadow, you have to blend all the colors together. Here I am using the small flat brush. Apply the brown shadow under the lower lashes and blend it well. Here I am using the metallic shadow on the eyeball. Blend it well using the small brush. Next I am using the liquid liner. Draw the thin liner. It was attached to the lash line. Next clean up with the concealer. I am using the small flat brush. Next apply the mascara to the lashes. After applying the mascara, this is the final output you can achieve. Simple and easiest beginner friendly makeup. I am using the light peachy pink color to create the crease line. Next add. It looks like a smoky effect. Here I am using the shimmer to highlight the inner corner of the eyes. This is the lashes I am using. Apply the lashes with the help of the glue. This is the final output you can achieve. Easy and simple makeup. After this, next one, third one makeup is this. Using the lightest shadow to create the crease line. After applying the shadow, pick up the grey color and blend it the both colors together. Using the same brush, blend the lower lash line also. After this, I am using the white shadow to inner corner to create the cut crease makeup look. Next, I am picking up the black shadow. Here I am using the stamping method. Using the small flat angular brush, stamp the eyeshadow. Attach it to your lashes. Slowly drag the eyeshadow to attach it to your lash line. Using the same brush, leftover shadow, you have to drag the outer corner of your eyes to create the wing. Here I am using the silver pigments. Press on the pigments on your eyeball using the small flat brush. Apply the lashes. This is the final output you can achieve. If you like these simple videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching all.